Hello friends! Hello! And welcome to Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria. Today we take you to the skate park Studentski Grad. It is the largest skate park in the Balkans. It has a 6-meter high ramp, a huge half pipe, and many more quarter pipes and ramps. It's a lot of fun to skate here. Yay! But first, let's go back to the beginnings. Hey!
Oh, am făcut un video, scuze.
It was the year 2021. The world still had lockdowns and travel restrictions. But Bulgaria was much more open than other countries, and we were released onto the skate park. The balance bike is a great toy for toddlers and small children to get around. You must wear a helmet, and we recommend to use all the other protective gear, like knee protectors. We'll tell you in another video how to stay safe and have fun without injuries. The kick scooter is the next step up. Very easy to ride. There are scooters for all ages from toddler to adult. It is great that there are so many ramps of all sizes. You can start on small flat ones and go to bigger and steeper ones once you get comfortable. The skate park has opening hours and a small entrance fee. It is closed when it rains because the water makes the floor super slippery for the small skating wheels. The inline skates are much more difficult than the balance bike and scooter. You need to already be a good skater and know how to brake and how to fall. In 2022, we passed through Sofia again on the way to Greece. And of course, we had to stop for a visit here. The skateboard is difficult to ride. It needs a lot of practice to have balance. I have only tried it a bit so far. What kind of music is this, Melissa? That's punk rock or skate punk, 90s style skate music. Do you like it? I asked if you like it. Alexis, do you like the music? Mom told me only to speak when I have something nice to say. You will learn to love it. our last visit to date to the skate park Sofia was in 2024, again on our way to Greece. This double ramp is called half pipe because it's like a pipe cut in half. The upper part is missing. You can skate here endlessly like a hamster in a wheel. Here is a covered seating area for exhausted skaters and for lazy parents who swipe on their phone. Bring your own water, it can get hot in the summer midday sun. We thank our latest subscribers and the new friends who left a comment on our recent video. Three, two, one, go! Oh wow! Good job! Wow! We have visited the skate park a few times over the years and always had a lot of fun. The people and the kids are friendly, and it was never too crowded. So, 5 stars from us. You can park your car along this road. There is plenty of space. The Google Maps link is in the video description. This is the only park we know with such a speed ramp. Pump tracks are nice too, but the speed and adrenaline here hits differently.